To access the custom CSS and HTML code of your website, simply go into the website, edit website, and select Customize Template CSS or Customize Template HTML. So if we come into the CSS, which is typically used to style and the look of something. So if you wanted to override the color scheme of something or the size of something, we would typically add custom CSS code here. After you've added custom CSS code, make sure you click the Enable Custom CSS and then Save and Publish. If you add the code and you don't click this button, it's not going to work. When it comes to the HTML is more of the foundation, the actual layout that corresponds with the CSS. And again, you shouldn't be adding a bunch of custom CSS and HTML code to your site. Typically, custom CSS and HTML code are used really when we need it. The only part of your website that is not drag and drop is the header. So whenever I build a site, that's typically the only thing that I put in the CSS and HTML is a new header layout, because everything else I can do with the drag and drop widgets and the what you see, what you get editor within website pages. So when it comes to the HTML, we can come into the layout here. If I click the default, I can override default layout and I can edit the code here. Now what DecoNetwork has recently done is they added these custom code snippets. This makes adding custom CSS or HTML a lot easier. So if you have like a live chat tool or sometimes we use like extra Google Analytics snippets, we can come in here and paste it exactly where it goes. So anytime you have that custom code, again, for like a live chat tool, it'll tell you where it goes in the HTML of the site. Just paste it in here, whether it be the header, body, footer, or the jQuery section. Hopefully you find this video helpful on how to add custom CSS and HTML code, and thank you for watching.